holy crap, that's a good return. Okay, and then you can also see your indicators here. This is a TQQQ, the value of that actual stock. You can see here the moving average, and you could very easily understand why it's selling, right? You can see here it sold because this thing crossed below this thing. You can actually compare. It was at 64 versus over here, it fell below that around right there. Okay, so you can understand the strategy. Why is it buying? Why is it selling? You can really get deep into all of this stuff. And then when you scroll a little further, you can actually see every single trade that it did here in a nice little table, right? So this is exactly what this strategy did, when it bought, when it sold, how much it bought it for, how much did it trade, all that kind of stuff is an intricate detail here for this strategy. So if you guys want to understand it, you have a lot of stuff to do that, right? And again, if you guys join our AI bootcamp, we're going to show you exactly how to build these types of things, analyze these strategies without using any code. We'll show you exactly how to build these types of things. We'll give you a bunch of different strategies that we use, and we'll give you a bunch of different prompts. We'll show you exactly how to analyze your strategies and all that kind of stuff, because there's a lot of details to this. You don't need to code, but to understand the strategies, that's something that we could show you exactly how to do. Okay, so we've built out a strategy using a natural language prompt. We've back tested it. You can see that I created that back test. You got your compound annual growth rate. You got our max drawdown, Sharpe ratios, all that good stuff. You have an interactive trading view chart. You get CSV files. You get export. You get a lot of really good stuff directly from that really, really easily. Again, not writing a single line of code. Okay. Now, once I have this, now I can also run this bot very easily, right? So let's say I want to run this bot. I'm like, this is pretty good, right? I want to run this bot. How would you do that? Simply click on deploy strategy up here. Okay. It's going to open this up, and then you're going to choose your broker. Right now on our website, we have 2 brokers that we work with. If you want to work with a bunch of others, we could do that too. We have Alpaca and Tradier in here. We also work with Schwab, Coinbase, Kraken, KuCoin, Kraken. We are adding in a bunch of prop traders right now as well. So if you guys are using what are some of the big prop firms? We're basically connected to all these big prop firms. If you guys want to do futures trading with prop firms, we're connecting to all of them as well. So we have a lot of brokers that you can choose from. But right now on the website, we have 2 available. We're going to be adding more and more as we go. But there are other ways you could run this if you want to. We'll show you how to do that in our AI bootcamp. Right, so choose a broker. My favorite's Alpaca, so I'm going to leave it as that. And then you can connect your account. I already have them connected, but I'm going to disconnect it so I can show you guys exactly how to do this. All right, so step 1, choose your broker. Step 2, connect to your brokerage account. So I'm going to click on here, connect to Alpaca. You'll see it's super simple. Loads up this page here. All I have to do, I'm already logged in, so you'd have to log in if you weren't. I'm just going to select what accounts I want to use. I'm going to use this test account over here. Click allow, and that's it. I have a broker connected. Super, super simple. Okay. And now I have chosen my broker. I've connected my account, and then I can make this bot public or paper trading. I could do whatever I want with this. I could set some environment variables too if you want to do that. We'll keep it simple. Click on deploy bot, and that's it. And we're done. So basically, you guys can see really, really simple with just a couple clicks. I was able to take something that I said in natural language, build out the strategy that trades TQQQ on the 200-day moving average. I simply typed that in. The AI generated it for me. I was able to back test it, understand exactly how it works, all the details, and then run it. Really, really simple, just a few clicks, really, really easy to do. Okay?